Hello, hello, hello. Kostas Albanidis here, and I'm gonna show you uh, one more time this amazing short AI platform. Okay, this platform, as I already said to another video, it's a very interesting platform that you can create easily faceless videos. I have already showed you so many platforms, but this one is something different. Trust me. It saves a lot of time and it gives you the opportunity to create high converting and engaging videos. Let me show you to this video because it's gonna be really short how easily you can create an interesting video. Let's go to the dashboard over here. And you see here you can create something from the ready-made templates, or you can use the AI story video. To the AI story video, you can use the AI script over here. I told you that I'm gonna showcase all of those options, and I'm gonna show you how to create the interesting history, long-form jokes, and all those stuff. And those they use ready-made prompts. Okay. At the moment, I'm gonna show you how you can use the the custom prompt so that you can. Sorry, I'm gonna just close Viber over here so that you can easily create your your prompt, and you can create anything you want. You can go even to the custom script over here and add the video starting hook and the video ending CTA, and use your uh, um, your prompt. Okay, I'm gonna show you very fast how I'm gonna create easily and fast, not with the ready-made prompts, but with one of my own. Okay, I got it over here. I'm gonna show you over here. You see, it's this one. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. I'm gonna show you and put it over here to ChatGPT. Okay, let's paste this one. And you see, I wrote, create the storyline, act as if you are the world's best story writer, and write a short moral story with only one character, which can be a boy or a girl, under 250 words long. Create a video starting hook and the video ending CTA. Subscribe and like the video for more. Okay, we're gonna click enter, and we're gonna see the results. We got the storyline over here, and we are done. You see, I'm gonna just grab the I'm gonna grab first the video starting hook. It's this one. Okay, I got it over here. I'm gonna add the starting hook over here, and I'm gonna grab the video ending CTA over here and add it to the video ending, and then I'm gonna just grab this one. Okay, I don't want the me and all those stuff. I'm gonna just grab everything and grab even the moral over here and paste it here. Okay, now the only thing I'm gonna do, I don't know if it fits to have the moral like that. Let's see. Realize the star hadn't fixed anything. It just remind her to try again. So she studied harder, asked for help, and improved. The star never blinked again, but Mia didn't need it to. She had found the light inside herself. So here I can just say that okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna leave it like that so that you can see the result. Here I'm gonna select the picture or the Disney style, anything you want. Let's try this time the Disney style to see the result. And here I'm gonna select the subtitles. Let's try this subtitles this time. Or maybe this one I like them more. Then click next, and over here I'm gonna select the storytelling. Here it's very interesting that you can select the language, you can select the gender if you want to be a man or a woman, okay, male or female. I can select here the female, and the age if you want to be young, middle-aged, old. Let's try the old. We have no old female, but we got male. Old we have, okay, here you're gonna see that.
Want people to pay attention?
You see it's this bass voice. We're gonna try middle-aged and select a female. Let's see.
We are all something, but none of us are everything.
I don't bite my tongue for nobody. If you don't like it, that ain't my problem.
Interesting.
Hey, my name is Aaron, and
Markets remain steady as tech stocks gain momentum.
Hey, everybody. This is Juniper.
Interesting.
Hello, my name is Jess.
Okay, let's try Jess. We move on to the next, generate video, and that's all. We already did and finished with the video. You see that it took me about 6 minutes to finish this video, but the point is that you can do it even faster. Just like copy paste and just let the AI do the hard job. Now after this video is ready, it's just a click away to send it straight to your social media, or even schedule this video and schedule it for the end of the month, from the first of the other month, and anything you want and anytime you want. Okay, I'm gonna just wait for a moment to see the result. And there you are, everything is ready.
One girl found hers in the most magical way, and it changed her forever. This is Mia's story. Mia was an 11-year-old girl who loved stargazing. Every night she'd sneak out to the old bench in her backyard, tilt her head up and dream. One cloudy evening, no stars appeared, except one. A single bright star blinked just for her. She whispered, "I wish I could always find light, even when things ceased."
You see, with the 250 words, we made a video to be about 50 seconds, okay, with a moral. That's really interesting. I can just create a post from here, you see. I can just create a post. You can go back here and see that I have my projects and I have the publish. If you go to publish, you're gonna see your calendar, and you can publish anytime you want your videos. You're gonna see here that I have already published some of my my projects, and some other are just waiting to be published. Okay, so I can select. You see, I added something for today, 24. I'm gonna go here to my project, select the one that I just created, click post, and I can easily schedule it from here. I can add more hashtags if I want. I can edit the post differently for separately for TikTok and separately for YouTube, or for Facebook. And after I arrange the time, I am done, and I can just click schedule post, and the post is beginning its journey to the social media. It's so amazing and so easy to create faceless, engaging, and really captivating videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and you saw how everything is working here to sort AI. I'm gonna leave a link to the description so that you can test it, and you can subscribe for free and see what is happening to this amazing web app. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have always very interesting and valuable content to show you, and I'm testing everything and thoroughly so that you know exactly what every web app is doing. This short AI certainly is valuable and saves you a lot of time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.